Hi, Tony from SongWriters Chop Shop here. No matter what style of music we write, we all want to make a memorable vocal melody. One of the best ways to do that is with rhythmic motifs. Melody is made up of pitch and rhythm. If you know how to use rhythmic repetition, you're one step closer to making a memorable melody. Here's an example from Nirvana's Smells Like Teen Spirit. And remember, melody has pitch and rhythm. See how the melodic rhythm repeats exactly, but the variation is on the pitch? Each 4-note motif uses the same rhythm. Rhythmic motifs are the secret sauce for catchy melodies. This technique is used in so many songs, like Taylor Swift's Cardigan, Clocks by Coldplay, The Imperial March by Darth Vader, Beethoven's Fifth Symphony, just to name a few. If you want to dive deeper into this technique, check out this video next. Catch you next time.